This inflatable bounce house with slide and splash pool was sent to me as a gift, and in this video I'm doing the full unboxing and setup so you can see everything included and how large it is once it's fully inflated. Right away, this is definitely a much bigger setup than a basic bounce house. It includes a slide, climbing wall, splash pool area, basketball hoop, and even double soccer goals, so there are a lot of different activities built into one inflatable. Starting with the unboxing, everything comes packaged tightly inside the storage bag, so you can immediately tell this is a pretty large inflatable once you start unfolding it. Inside the box, you also get the air blower, stakes, accessories, and the hose attachment that's used to turn this into a water bounce house. Since it's still not quite warm enough here yet, we decided to use it completely dry for now, but I do want to mention that it does include everything needed to connect water features later on. As we're unfolding everything in the video, you can really start to see how many different sections this bounce house has built into it. There's a climbing area, the slide, the pool section at the bottom, and the sports game features all combined together. Once we connect the blower and start inflating it, it actually inflates surprisingly quickly considering the overall size. Watching it fully come up is honestly one of the most satisfying parts because you can really see how massive it becomes once it's fully inflated. In the video, I showed the entire setup process from start to finish so you can get a realistic idea of what putting together actually looks like. One thing I noticed right away is once fully inflated, it feels really sturdy. The walls stand up well and the different sections stay nicely inflated while the blower is running. The climbing wall area is a really fun feature because it adds more activity than just a standard bounce area. Once the kids climb up, they come right down the slide into the splash pool section. Even though we're using it dry right now, you can still clearly see how the water setup would work once the hose is connected during warmer weather. Another feature I like is the double soccer goals built into the sides. That gives kids even more ways to play besides just bouncing. There's also a basketball hoop area which adds another activity option and makes the whole setup feel more like a mini inflatable playground instead of just a bounce house. One thing that surprised me is how many different activities they managed to fit in one inflatable setup without feeling overly crowded. The overall design feels really colorful and fun while still looking durable. Once fully inflated, it definitely feels like something multiple kids could enjoy at the same time without immediately running out of space. Another thing I appreciate is that despite how large it is once it's fully inflated, it packs down into the storage bag when not in use. The included blower also feels strong enough to keep everything fully inflated consistently during use. Overall, this feels like a really feature-packed inflatable play setup. Between the bounce house, slide, splash pool, climbing wall, basketball hoop, and soccer goals, there's a lot built into one inflatable. And it definitely feels like something kids could stay entertained with for a long time. And with the full unboxing and setup shown in the video, you get a really good idea of both the size and the different activity areas included.